Hello everyone, welcome to episode 29. Today we will be seeing the answers of episode 28. You can see the slides given below and see your answers.